Mughal Road connecting twin districts of Poonch and Rajouri with Shopian, Srinagar Leh highway were closed after fresh snowfall. Mughal Road and SSG Road closed for vehicular movement due to fresh snowfall, bringing down the temperatures. Authorities have issued an avalanche alert in different districts of the territory and asked the people to avoid going to higher reaches. Avalanche alert has been issued for Bandipora, Baramulla, Ganderbal, Kupwara, Ramban, Doda and Kargil districts in the next 24 hours. A woman was killed while 7 other persons were injured today in a road accident in Kazigund area of Islamabad district of South Kashmir. Vehicle coming from Jammu towards Srinagar rolled down into a deep gorge near Zik post in Kazigund, and a woman from the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh died while 7 other persons sustained injuries in the mishap. Fire incident in main town of Islamabad in South Kashmir has gutted 13 houses and 10 shops. Dozens of structures including houses and shops have been gutted in the blaze. Modi-led fascist Indian regime has intensified crackdown to seize properties of the Kashmiris to muzzle their voice for freedom, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. India, in its latest wave of confiscations, has seized properties worth crores of Jamaat-e-Islami and other pro-freedom Kashmiris. Seizures of the Kashmiris' properties in the territory is a sheer political vendetta on part of the Modi regime, as it is meant to punish the Kashmiris for their role in the freedom struggle. Posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas appealing the United Nations to resolve the Kashmir dispute as per its resolution passed on 5th January 1949. The posters were displayed by pro-freedom organizations including Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Movement and Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement in Srinagar and other areas. The posters urged the world body to take notice of the violation of Kashmiris' right to self-determination. Jammu-based Teachers Forum took out a candle march protest to highlight its demands from Fawara Chowk to the main bazaar. The protesting teachers on the occasion urged the authorities to settle their genuine demands without any further delay. Meanwhile, all Jammu-based Reserve Category Employees Association Kashmir continued their protest at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Chowk in Jammu.